Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to install OpenClaw on Windows. So go to the Google and search OpenClaw and you will get the first link. Click here and you will land on this page. So it is saying OpenClaw, the AI that actually does the things. So it's a powerful agent that can handle your email. Let's see how we can install. So this is one-liner installer. Copy this, open the terminal CMD in the administrator mode and paste this. So Windows is detected, existing OpenClaw is detected. So Node.js is okay. Now installing OpenClaw latest. It is still installing. Installing OpenClaw at the rate latest. To install OpenClaw, you need the Node.js version 2.5. Now the OpenClaw is installed. There are two ways. Either you can install it using the PowerShell, or alternatively you can install it using the npm. So npm installation is npm I -g OpenClaw, and then you need to onboard the OpenClaw using OpenClaw onboard command. So let's see. It is refreshing the loaded gateway services. Now the gateway service is installed. I think gateway is started. Some other software is being installed. So OpenClaw is successfully installed, and we need to run the OpenClaw doctor, fix some changes. Need to onboard the here we will reset everything. Yes, reset, full reset, and we will choose the custom provider here. Custom provider. Olama is OpenAI compatible, and we are going to put the GLM plus model. Verification successful. Olama. Before now. Configure skills no. Enable hooks no. And reinstall it. Now it is connected successfully, and gateway is running fine. Now we can chat. Hi. Web chat connected. You can see it is connected to the GLM Flash default here. Now you can see model is loaded in GPU. And here is the output. What should I call you? So we can chat it with the context compacted. Okay, doing something. So still the GPU is being used in the Olama machine. Got it, Tom, Deepak. So I am asking for getting the latest AI news. Let's see. So it is using the tool one web search. Top 8. is using the Ulama model. So this is the latest news. Now is a broader AI news and discussion. So this way you can use the OpenClaw. In this tutorial, I showed you how you can install OpenClaw on Windows and then use it. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.